Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today I'm doing an unboxing of two phones I picked up on eBay. Let's start with this one here. So that's all that's in there. It is a BlackBerry Pearl 8130 on Autel with no battery. It's probably because it's bolted up how they always are. Everything looks to be good. One indicator is not red. Let's see here. Battery cover's a little loose, but other than that, it's in pretty good shape. I do like the color of this one. It's like a nice little blue. Give it a wipe down real quick. That's in really good shape. Let's go and do the other one real quick. This one I was on eBay, but as you can tell, it came in an Amazon Prime box. Here it is. No receipt in the box or anything, so that's fine. LG CU500. I already have one of these. Don't have one with the box, obviously, but guess it is a different phone that's actually in the box. This is the Samsung SGH A707. Does have a SIM card inside of it. The battery looks to be in pretty good shape, actually. For an old Samsung phone. It's still bulged up a little bit, but not bad. Let's see. No SD card slot, or no SD card in the slot. There we go. Got the typical rubber. It's coming apart. Phone has no power. Looks to be in really good shape too, though. And that's all that's in the box on this one. So, a quick little unboxing on two devices I picked up on eBay. I guess I do have a box from my other one now. And then, got another phone to the collection, which I used to have one or two of these. I think I sold them, so I got another one now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.